What are some of the preoperative techniques and habits that should be adhered to have a good surgical outcome and to reduce chances of surgical site infections? Surgical asepsis or surgical hand hygiene should be done with a good antimicrobial soap for minimum of 2 to 5 minutes. All jewelry and nails should be removed before you perform a surgical hand scrub. Your hands should be kept up and away after surgical hand hygiene so that the water drips from tips to the elbows and you do not dirty your hands again. Double gloves should be worn to prevent transmission of blood-borne viruses. In case your gloves get accidentally punctured, make sure you change your gloves immediately. Surgical field must be cleaned meticulously with iodine-based solution as per the All India Ophthalmic Society guidelines. Drapes. Surgical drapes must be applied to larger areas so that the unsterile areas are not in contact with the sterile surgical field. Meticulous techniques must be followed as per the standard operating procedures to prevent the occurrence of SSI or surgical site infections. In case you take up any infected case, make sure the OT is thoroughly cleaned before you take up the next case.